Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Music Web Player. So using the Amazon Music Web Player is one of the easiest ways to listen without installing anything. So at first you will need to open the web player, and to do that you will need to open up your favorite browser. So I'm using Google Chrome right here. You can open it on Opera, GX, Google Chrome, Safaris, etc. Okay, and then just go with the music.amazon.com website. Okay, and then just sign in with your Amazon account if you already have one. If not, just go ahead and sign up with a new Amazon account. Okay. So once logged in, you will then be able to start playing music. So you can use the search bar from here to find music like songs, albums, artists, etc. You can go with music by genre, as you can see right here. Listen your way, moods and activities, podcast by categories, etc. So you can even listen to the podcast using your Amazon Music web or websites. Okay, so for example we'll go with Kamikaze by Eminem, for example. Okay, so this is the song, this is the album. So as you can see, just by using the search bar we found it. And also you can click play or anything you want, so just go ahead and over on an album or on a music specific one, and then just click on play and it will be played automatically. Also, you will be able to use your library or playlist just from here. So you can find your library, or your music library, or podcasts that you already saved. Okay, just right here. So you can also edit or delete playlists anytime. Also, you can control the audio and playback just from here. You can add to favorite just from here. You can dislike, view album, view artists, even share this song by using the option. So you can just copy the link and pass it on the social media or WhatsApp, etc. Okay, chat. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.